Hi. I'm calling about, there seems to be a situation, and there's one dog that's completely, he must be starving. He's very skittish. He has black coming out of his eyes. His hair is completely black now and matted and dreadlocked.
I feel like Superman. They gon' remember me. I think I know I can. Who says it's hard to reach? Who's gonna stop me on the road to success? I don't know.
Come on. Puff, he's just gonna run into the corner here. Hello. I think a dog just ran in here. I'm just gonna grab it for a second, okay? Stay. Stay, stay, stay. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. No, no, no. No. Oh.
A bit of a burger and this stuff.
No, it's fine.
My time went by too fast. There's no one left but me. I've got a 9 to 5, and it gets the best of me. This is the life I'm gonna live to the end, but I'm okay when I lie down in
No, no, no. It's not necessary. Oh, look at you. You caught yourself. I love that.
and sometimes I feel like I ain't nothing at all.
You want to do the mouth wrap, or do you think they'll let me?
Let's see if you'll want to walk on the beach. Come on, let's walk. I think you'll just walk with us. That's fine. Okay, you might want to start fighting now. Okay. He wants to. Come on, hey, up here. Up on my lap. Come here, up here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Let's walk. Yeah, we're gonna take him home. Come on, let's get out of here. Thank you. Goodbye. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Good boy.